Hello, good evening dear students. I am continuing my lecture of differentiation. So yesterday I told you that differentiation, what is differentiation? Differentiation is actually when we will find slope. So the slope formula was tan theta is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and this we can write as dy by dx, right? And then I told you the differentiation, if you will find differentiation of any constant, it will be equal to 0. Differentiation of any constant will be 0. Now understand the second formula. This formula you have to memorize. So make a star mark here. Then differentiation of x to the power n. This is very important. Differentiation of x to the power n. What is this? X to the power n. This is equal to, see, this is x to the power n. So this is function to the power n. So this power will come here. Then we will add x, and then we will add n minus 1. That is first whatever will be the power, जो भी power हो उसको यहाँ लिख दो first. Then add x, then power minus 1. Power minus 1. For example, differentiation of x की power 5. So what will be this? What is the power? 5. So 5 you have to write here. Then x, then 5 minus 1. So what will be this? 5x to the power 4. Right? For example, differentiation of x की power 3. Tell me firstly. Whatever will be the power, we will add here 3 x की power minus 1, 3 minus 1. So what will be this? 3x square. Now I will do it fastly. Okay? Example. Tell me fastly. Differentiation of x to the power 7. What will be this? 7x to the power 6. Power minus 1. Differentiation of x की power 3. What will be this? 3x square. Differentiation of x square. Tell me firstly. Whatever with the power we will add here, then x, and then power minus 1. 2 minus 1. What will be this? 2x1. So x square का differentiation 2x. Power is 1. You will add or not add? No any effect. So differentiation of x square will be 2x. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can I have this? Take the screenshot. No, don't become over smart. You have to write in your class note. You have to write in your class note. आप लोग बहुत शैतान हो गए हो. So this formula is also important. Which one? Differentiation of x to the power n. What will be the differentiation of x to the power n? Tell me firstly, you have to memorize differentiation of x to the power n. N x to the power n minus 1. N x to the power n minus 1. When you will sleep in night, now you have to memorize this formula. How much? 100 times. And then your parents will say, hey, what you are doing? What you will say? I am memorizing physics formula. Why? Because I am in love with physics. What will be the answer? बदमाश बच्चे. Okay. Try to understand some more formula. Hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, comment in the comment section. Okay. That's some more question. Differentiation of what will be root x? Differentiation of root x. If question will be like this. Tell me firstly. Can you think about this? Root x means, can we write that this is actually differentiation of x की power half? Oh, x की power half, because root means root 2 means 2 का power half, right? Like that, root x means x का power half, and this power will come here. Then we will add x. Then we will do power minus 1. Is it? Half minus 1. So that will be the differentiation. Hope you have understand this. If suppose I will add differentiation of 1 by root 3x. 1 by root 3x. But we can write this Can we write that this is actually 1 by x की power 1 by 3? Can we write this? Can we write that this is actually x की power minus 1 by 3? Can we write if this is x की power minus 1 by 3? So how we will write? Power will come here. Then power will come here. Then we will write x. Then power minus 1. Is it? So like this you have to differentiate. Clear? So what will be differentiation of x? If I will write differentiation of x, so what is the power of x? 1. So what will be this? Power x power minus 1. So this is 1 x की power 0. X की power 0 means 1. So differentiation of x. See this thing. Differentiation of x is how much? 1. Differentiation of x is how much? 1. Is it? Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of y with respect to y will be 1. Clear? This formula also you can memorize, and this all you have to understand. Nothing to memorize. This you can learn. So this should be in your brain. The differentiation of x is how much? 1. Make a star mark in your class note. Okay. Okay, now understand something more. If suppose they will ask you any question like this, that what will be differentiation of 6x square? Now see, this question is little bit different. Why? Because if it will be differentiation of x square, then we will say 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2, but this is not x square. This is 6x square. So if there will be any constant, this 6 is a constant, no? If there will be any constant, then take constant out of the differentiation. What I said, whenever any constant will come, then take constant outside of the differentiation, then you have to differentiate this. So now 6 and x square का differentiation 2x. So this will be how much? 12x. Is it clear? For example, tell me this. Differentiation of, tell me fastly, 2x की power 5. What will be this? 2 is constant, so 2 will be outside the differentiation. We have to differentiate what? We have to differentiate x की power 5 only, because 2 is constant. So x की power 5 का differentiation 5x power is here, then x, then power minus 1. 5 minus 1 4. 5x की power 4. So this will be 10x की power. Is it clear? Is it clear? Actually, you know that right now I am sleeping little bit because I have taken a lot of class. I have not that much energy, but since you all are loved ones, so I have to record the video. Hope you will understand it, and you will also work hard, because you know that when you want to get success now, then there is only one thing, and that is your hard work. If you will work hard, no one can stop you. No one can stop you. And if someone will stop you, then you have to challenge the challenge. If any challenge is coming, you have to challenge it. Okay? If suppose, if anyone will ask you the differentiation of 6 by x, you have to differentiate like this, 6 by x. How will we differentiate this? Can we write that this is differentiation of 6x to the power minus 1? Can we write like this? Because if this x power is 1 here, here is x ka power 1. This is plus 1, na? When it will go up, this will be minus 1, 6x ki power minus 1. 6 is constant, take outside, and this will become what? Differentiation of x to the power minus 1. How we will differentiate this? 6 differentiation of x to the power minus 1. This is x to the power n का differentiation, ना? N x to the power n minus 1. So minus 1 x to the power -1, power -1. So this will be what? -6, 6 into -1, -6, x to the power -1, -2. Right? Right? Okay. Now I will take the next type of the differentiation. I have taken a lot of example. Hope you have understand this step. Differentiation of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. This formula you have to memorize. Differentiation of e to, अगर e to the power x का differentiation करना हो, that will be e to the power x. So same, it will remain same. Differentiation of log x base e, log x base e, this is equal to 1 by x, log x base e. If differentiation will be like this, log x base e, that will be equal to 1 by x, 1 by x. If suppose this will be like this, differentiation of a to the power x, a to the power x. So this differentiation will be a to the power x log a base e, a to the power x log a base e, a to the power x log a base e. For example, see differentiation of 4 to the power x, this type of differentiation. What will happen? How will we add? This is a to the power x step now. So a we will add here. A to the power x, so 4 to the power x, right? Log 4 base e, like that. Log 4 base e. So these are some of the formula that you have to memorize. These are some of the formula that you have to memorize. So this formula also you have to memorize. The differentiation of a to the power x is a to the power x log a base e, because it will be useful in maths also. So it's better memorize this formula. I will take numericals on this also. That is the next formula. I will take numerical on each. You will understand that what I am trying to say. Suppose differentiation of sin x, differentiation of sin x, sin x का differentiation क्या होगा? So sin x का differentiation होता है cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So whenever you will differentiate sin x, that differentiation will be cos x. And differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x, minus sin x. So sin x differentiation is cos x differentiation is minus sin x. This is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. So sin is अच्छा means positive positive, and cos is ganda means one is positive, then other will be negative. So like memorize like this: differentiation of sin x will be cos x, and differentiation of cos x will be minus sin x. So both formula is very important. Cos x. Both formula is very important. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, and differentiation of cos x. Make a star mark on your note and memorize it. Then differentiation of tan x. Differentiation of tan x. This is equal to sec square x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Differentiation of cos x. differentiation of cot x is cosec square x. Cosec square x. So tan x is sec square x, cot x is, oh sorry, differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. At differentiation of sec x. Differentiation of sec x. What will be the differentiation? This differentiation will be equal to sec x tan x. Sec x, sec x tan x. So you have to memorize all this formula. You have to memorize, and especially these two formula you must have to this also. So differentiation of sin x is cos x is minus sin x, tan x is sec square x, cot x is minus cosec square x, like this. Okay? I am taking some question on this. For example, differentiation of 3 cos x. What will be this? Differentiation of 3 cos x. So 3 is a constant, right? So 3 constant will be outside the differentiation, and cos x का differentiation, cos x गंदा गंदा minus, so minus sin x, cos x का differentiation minus sin x, so answer will be minus 3 sin x, right? Differentiation of 3 cos x will be minus 3 sin x. For example, differentiation of x की power 5 plus sin x. What will be its differentiation? You can write that this is actually differentiation of x की power 5 plus differentiation of sin x. You can split it. If you are not understanding right now, you can split it. So differentiation of x to the power 5 plus sin x will be differentiation of first x की power 5 का differentiation कह लो, फिर sin x का differentiation कह लो. So separate it into two parts. So differentiation of x to the power 5 will be 5x to the power 4, right? Power will be here x, then power minus 1. This is x to the power n type na, plus sin x का differentiation will be cos x. So this will be the answer, right? So like this we will understand. See some more example. Differentiation of, take the question, differentiation of 4 minus 3 sin x, 4 minus 3 sin x plus 2 log x base e. First try to differentiate it by yourself. How can we write this? We will separate this differentiation of, first we will write differentiation of 4 minus differentiation of 3 sin x and then plus differentiation of 2 log x base e. See, first I have explicated this. Differentiation of 4 will be what? This is constant. Constant का differentiation. Constant का differentiation 0. 4 is constant ना. Minus 3 sin x. So this will be what? 3 का differentiation. 3 is constant ना. It will be outside. So 3 will be outside. Sin x का differentiation cos x. So this will be minus 3 cos x plus 2 log x base e. So 2 is a constant ना, 2 is a constant. So 2 will be outside and log x base e का differentiation होता है 1 by x. This formula I have written. The differentiation of log x base e is how much? 1 by x. So what will be the answer? Minus 3 cos x plus 2 by x. This will be the answer. Okay. For example, see. This question. Differentiation of 7 cosec x 7 the cosec x differentiation I have taken not taken that's like this differentiation of 7 tan x minus 7 cosec x plus 5 e to the power x plus 6. You have to differentiate this thing. So what we will do? We will separate it. How we will separate it? So we will add differentiation of 7 tan x minus differentiation of what is this? 7 cosec x plus differentiation of what is this? 5 e to the power x plus differentiation of what is this? 6. So we will differentiate each and every term individually. 7 tan x का differentiation. So 7 is a constant now. So constant will be outside the differentiation and tan x का differentiation sec square x minus. This 7 is a constant, so it will be outside the differentiation. Cosec x का differentiation होता है cosec x cot x. Cosec x cot x. किसका differentiation? Differentiation of cosec x का. Cosec x का differentiation होता है cosec x cot x. So that I have written 7 is outside cosec x का cosec x cot x plus 5 is constant, so it will be outside the differentiation. E to the power x का differentiation e to the power x same, and this is constant का differentiation. 6 is a constant, so constant का differentiation 0. This will be the answer. 0 you can write or you can note it. So this will be the answer. Like this, we will solve some more on this, and thank you. Please make class note properly. If you will face any doubt, then please ask me. Whenever you are free, please ask me. Okay? And this physics is very easy subject. Don't worry about that. Okay? Just believe on your teacher. Physics is very easy. Okay, thank you. Then we will see you later. Bye.